Phoenix, Arizona. I love coming down here. The weather, I mean, those warm nights, sitting outside, listening to great tunes, eating great food, hanging out with your friends. I mean, it's just, I wish someone could make a restaurant concept around that. Oh, yeah, they did. This is the Duce.
Hot pie. Slick Willie, come on up. Enjoy, buddy.
There's nothing like it in Phoenix.
Just normal in Phoenix?
Now, this is a great place to hang out. Look at it. I mean, we have everything. Shopping, boxing, food, bar.
Shopping, boxing, food, and bar. All things Windy City transplant Steve and Andy Rosenstein love.
It's almost like our personal playground.
You guys been in the ring?
Yes. I boxed my brother 2 days before his wedding in that ring because his rehearsal dinner was here.
Seriously? And what is your favorite menu item?
The mac and cheese bites. These are good.
Mac and cheese muffins?
Mac and cheese muffins.
Two of my favorite words. Butter?
Butter. A little flour. Add in the milk. So we're gonna add a little Worcestershire.
I have some salt here too. Would you like that?
I would love that, thank you. Now we're ready for the Gruyere.
Whose recipe was this?
This is mine. We're gonna add a little cheddar. Local goat cheese.
Local goat cheese?
Unbelievable taste. Delicious.
Mmm. I like the tang of that.
Gonna fold that in and dump the pasta down.
Oh, we should probably just test this. Oh, will be fine. Camera's not on, is it? Cut.
We're actually gonna make a little bit of a panko mixture to put on the bottom of the muffin tin. Start with panko crumbs, extra virgin olive oil, add in some fresh ground garlic.
You want me to hit this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Really good, so they come right out easily.
Really good.
Like really good. So fresh Parmesan cheese.
So that little mixture now?
Now we're going to fill it. Just fill a little bit on the bottom of each.
When you do that, I'm just gonna make sure that nothing has changed over here on this. Okay. Now we blind bake this off?
Yep, brown for about a minute. And now we're going to fill them.
What?
Sprinkle
that on top so it gets a little crunch on top.
Yep.
Bake them off.
For about 8 to 10 minutes. 10 muffins in a basket.
10? Oh, it's like culinary Christmas. Look at that little mac and cheese nugget slammer popper. Shut the front door. Just enough to hold it together. And whatever of the fat of the cheese that was melting got captured down here in the little panko zone. The key is the outside crunchiness.
Yeah.
This is like an extra week now at the gym. You're the bomb, Andy. You gotta try this one.
Delicious. A little crunchy and then chewy. Ay.
Does everybody in Phoenix know about this?
It's still a little underground, but more and more people are finding out about it.
I mean, you can't beat it. It's just the Duce.
I want to see these two in the ring.
Let's go!